Welcome to the final year's edition for 2025 for Just Unsecure. As those who know us and to all our followers, we're going to recap as usual. Just Unsecure, we explore key topics in information and cybersecurity. And I am Babs and co-host
Amoho.
OO in the
Yeah.
building. This session is literally our last session for 2025. So what we're going to do is just go on a recap. Not a boasting right, but a recap. What do you want to say before we go into it?
There's nothing more to say than first of all to thank everybody that have supported during the year. It was packed. There's so many things that we went through in the year, but we're happy to go through it again to say yes, we didn't only talk about it. We did few things, and then we hope for the future that more things are going to come in that's going to excite everyone. So let's dive in.
Spot on, like what O said, we didn't just talk about cybersecurity, we built skills, communities, and real opportunities.
Fantastic.
So let's start. Our YouTube channel here, what did we do? This year, we interviewed, or should we say, we had a discussion with fellow cybersecurity professionals. Not just one, not just two, but 11.
11.
11 cybersecurity professionals. And they
Absolutely.
were, woo, it was entertaining and refreshing to know how many Africans, both in Africa and in diaspora, are actually in the cybersecurity space and willing to share their knowledge and everything about what they do to all our viewers on Just Unsecure.
If you haven't watched all of those, they are packed with gems that can help you to grow your career, walk through it, or even come into the cybersecurity career as well. So you might want to go back to the channel and just watch those 11 real interview. We learned a lot. I would believe you are going to learn some as well.
Beautiful. And what next? What next did we do?
Yeah, we so there's some hands-on experience, right? But based on AfriHackBox, we organize CTF, native CTF, and then later in the year we did core hackathon where people really slog it out to develop solutions to solve real world challenges.
Yeah, I think, oh, you skipped one major thing that just crossed my mind now. For everybody who is on AfriHackBox and who are into ethical hacking, we always tell people go and sign up for AfriHackBox. But what we did, especially this year, is we had all participants, all willing participants, to go through all the challenges
Mm,
within AfriHackBox. And
yeah.
first of all, to all the players and the people that actually volunteered to solve a challenge, we want to say thank you very much for throwing your knowledge out there and also sharing how you solve the challenge for those that are really scared about ethical hacking. We say go through the channel and also go to our learning platform and you'll see the videos of real African students and professionals going through each of the challenges and solving them. So now you have no excuse. All the challenges have been solved. You just need to follow step by step.
Yes. So if you're trying to see where do you go, just go to JU cybersecurity dot justunsecure.org. That is where you're going to find, join that community. You will see all the recordings. Professionals have solved some of the challenges. You will see it there.
And you moved on to the big fish. AfriHackBox Hackathon 2025.
25. That was fun.
I, I want you to walk us through it because if I start talking, I might not actually finish talking about it. So
So
just walk everybody through what we did.
so if you want a full gist, I think you should probably get in contact with us. But I'm going to give you very little hints about what happened. We have like almost like 160 people come to develop solutions to solve real African security, cybersecurity challenges for small businesses and different countries. And we came out with the top three. No, first top six, then top three. We have judges, professional judges that look at those applications, solutions to solve issues. And then one of them came on top, and then we wrap it up in Rwanda. This is like 30,000 feet kind of brief for you. If you want the full gist, I think you should be there. Also, go to the channel. You'll see the video for Rwanda. The winner went to Rwanda as well to actually be part of the cybersecurity summit in Rwanda. That was epic.
Even I think O did a justice to it, man. As in, the AfriHackBox Hackathon is what we say we were planning on doing. Like I said earlier, hands-on, real-life experience. You don't get any closer than actually getting people within Africa develop solutions for the African market, and there were loads. We had over 15 products that were in quote developed, or the concepts were highlighted to us, and we came with the top three. The winner was a product called Aegis, a solution built for
AI
phishing,
phishing protection.
AI phishing. Thanks. And also the second was I can't remember what the second was now, but the third was end phishing. So there were three beautiful solutions, and they are all in our YouTube channel. You can go look at it, look at through some of the things we presented. And like always said, when I came to Rwanda, and Rwanda was such a beautiful place. I mean, it all didn't come, but I think that's what we're gonna solve next year. This is something to look forward next year
This
when
is
we
something
do
to look forward
something
to.
next year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. And I think give it to the guys in Rwanda. I was not there, but they were really involved, and they even wanted us to come back and do another event in Rwanda. Yeah, it was lovely, and we give it to the Swebatu CEO as well. He was really a good partner in this. Was epic.
Perfect. So I'm sure everybody's wondering, what next? What do we have for them in store in 2026?
2026.
What can we do to
2026.
up the game in 2026? Should I break it? Let me allow you
No, go
break it. I,
ahead.
I
Go
don't like
ahead.
I don't like
I give that to
surprises.
you. I gave a lot of story about 2025. So you talk about 2026.
Okay, 2026 is going to be epic, and that's what we're doing. Just remember to always follow this channel. If you haven't, subscribe. What we plan on doing is first ensuring we have a CTF challenge. And this is not just going to be like any other CTF challenge. It's going to be constant CTF challenge based on a new solution we have in mind. But like I said, we won't let the cat out of the bag. Just subscribe and follow. And the grand opening of our new platform, which we're going to be calling CyberSim Academy. Is a
Yeah.
browser-based simulation platform for cybersecurity professionals and learners. So we're not here to joke. We've created something for professionals and people that really want to take cybersecurity seriously. Don't let me tell them everything about it. Just break it down to them and let them know what it's all about.
One of the things that as Baba's talking about, we are not going to say everything right here, is the fact that you don't need a VM, a Kali Linux to be able to learn. If you're a beginner, you want to learn from the beginning to become a core cybersecurity professional. If you're an expert already, but you want to upskill your skill, but you don't know how to buy all the softwares that you need. Yes, this is it. This is going to be completely browser based simulation for you to get you a head start ahead of you. We won't tell you about all. If you're a university as well and you're trying to create your own lab, will say, stop that. Talk to us. You can jumpstart your cybersecurity a platform or curriculum for your entire institution with this. That is what we're planning. Another thing that comes to mind, Babs, is the fact that also we talked about defense, right? We want Africa to be able to defend Africa. This is part of what we are going to do in 2026 as well. Platforms that help you to learn not only how to hack, but how to defend. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be competitive.
If you want to know more, ensure you follow, because at the end of the day, what we're trying to do here is not talk the talk but walk the walk. And just imagine a scenario where you have vulnerabilities that you can actually try and defend in the next day, like Stuxnet, for example. That was back a few years ago. But actually understanding how made vulnerability or made the grid network not secure, what would you do if you were the one in
That's the
defending
question.
a grid, a SCADA setup? Those are the kind of things we're bringing real life vulnerabilities into real learning situation, and gives you the ability to show your skills, not just from listening on the news or watching or read it and all that, but now practical simulation for you to test your skills properly as a red teamer, as a blue teamer. Like OO said, we're just not about ethical hackers or hacking. We now want to look at, okay, how do I defend a network? That is what
Absolutely.
we're trying to build, defending Africa in all ramifications.
Yeah.
Oh, anything else?
One thing I'm going to tell everybody about that is if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel. Follow us on LinkedIn. And we'll share the link to CyberSyn much later. Just go ahead and just have a look. It's fantastic. It's going to be a 2006 of great experience. And if you're an organization, start talking to us right now to upskill your employee because, as you know, cybersecurity is not something that you can just talk about in the boardroom only. You have to build an army to defend what is important.
Perfect. No other way to round it up. Cybersecurity is not just about technology, it's about people, preparation, and purpose. Thank you for being part of our journey this year, and thank you for believing in the mission. Yes, to building a safer, stronger, and more secure digital future together.
Yes.
So 2026, here we
Join
come.
us to beat the odds.
Take care all.
All right.
Thank you. See you. Happy New Year.